Hey Leo, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. So I'm telling y'all, there's an offer coming in for you. Definitely have an offer. So let's see. Somebody's going to ask y'all out. Somebody is getting asked out. I see a celebration, could be a party, what have you, but you know, you could be messing with or dealing with a Sagittarius. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. Maybe this person, remember I told y'all they want a reconciliation. So I feel like maybe there was no balance between you two in the past because this person could have been dealing with a third party situation, right? You know, and they're realizing that you're their soulmate. You know, they want to be in a commitment with you. But see, yeah, they won't apologize for what they did to you. They're just not confident in doing so just yet. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. So, let's clarify that. Okay. See, there you are. See what I'm saying? It's like, I feel like your justice has been served. This person wants to know how you truly feel about them because you guys are kind of just minding your business. You're just doing your own thing. You know, you're just moving forward. You know, and this person knows that oh, okay, so hide. Look at all these major arcanas. Okay, so first of all, this person knows that they're going to have to speak their truth to you. And I feel like there is some fear because, one, they feel like you don't want to be with them. Two, for some of you guys, remember I told you there was some type of third-party situation going on. So maybe somebody had to get out of some type of commitment, a marriage. You know, third party doesn't always have to be like a love interest. It could be career, you know, just something that just took them away from you. But whatever they were committed to doing, they had to get out of it. So somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. Somebody could be dealing with, Lord, I almost said the devil. Okay. What is happening? Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Lord, somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. Maybe some of y'all feel like this person was the devil. I don't know. But see, yeah, because this person was definitely juggling. And I feel like right now they're trying to make a decision, see, because they want to be with you. But there's somebody holding on to them for financial reasons. See, and this is why they can't move forward. I told y'all, and look, it landed right on top of the Hierophant reverse. There's somebody that can't move forward with you just yet because they're still going through some lessons. I feel like this person is trying to get out of some type of commitment contract. There's something going on here. Okay. Maybe this person was dealing with a devil on their side. You never know. So let's see. Yeah, they're not happy. This person's not happy at all. They want to balance things out with you, Leo. Does somebody have a child with this person? Or they have a child with someone else and that's the situation? Let me see. Yeah, this person, they're having a hard time right now. Oh, let's see. Okay, so this is the thing. There's definitely something going on because this person, they're going to come back and give you an offer, Leo. You know, and it's the offer of stability, the offer that you want. But remember I told you there's somebody holding on to them. I feel like this person is going to have to help someone else or pay someone else. So remember, like I said, if there was a child in the situation, that could be the issue. Because, see, at the end of the day, they know that they left you out in the cold. Let's see. Yep. They want to speak their truth to you, but they're not positive about doing it. They're back and forth. See, about the Page of Wands. Okay, so it's like this person definitely wants to move forward with you. They want to start over with you, but they're afraid that it's not going to happen. See, I told you. They want a new beginning with you. This person definitely does, but see, look at that. They may tell you that, you know, I want to be with you, I want to have a family with you, all of that. But for some of you, this person may have to tell you the truth about some type of family situation that they're in. And this is why they're uncertain if you're going to take them back. But I really feel like whoever I'm picking up on, look, they want to give you the offer. I'm telling you, this person, some of y'all are getting an offer really soon if you haven't gotten it already. And see, they're back and forth with the Seven of Wands, so that lets me know 1 minute it's like they're frustrated, but the next minute they're not. Like, they're trying to do whatever they can to come towards you, see? But look, I told you, they left you out in the cold. And that's why right now they can't move forward with you just yet. They're not coming towards you. Somebody could be dealing with the Cancer. See, and there's the King of Cups reversed. So this is the thing. This person that you're thinking about, they definitely have a hard time communicating with you. Look at that. And they're isolating themselves. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. They're isolating themselves because they feel like they're not going to have this new opportunity. See, this person, they know what they want to do. They're not taking that step. See, the Empress just tried to jump out. This person definitely wants to be with you. But see, it's a lot of regret. They're regretting leaving you out in the cold. They made the wrong decision, see? They moved in another direction. But see, now they're realizing, like, damn, like, I really messed up. I want to move forward with Leo or cross-watcher. This is how Leo's feeling about you. Tell me more. Yeah, see, they're frustrated because they feel like they lost you. I told you they went into another direction or moved into another direction. Tell me more. Yep, and now they feel like you're going to cut them off. But this person, remember I told you up here, they have a hard time talking to you. So when they do come and talk to you guys, it's like, communication is really blunt. Listen, let me just talk to you. Let me just tell you what it is. Who are you talking to? But they're going to come to you. They're going to talk. See, they're just having a hard time. Okay. Let's see, what's this? Because this person, they were being a player. You see, I have the King and the Queen of Swords here. So I'm telling you, this is somebody was definitely dealing with some type of soulmate situation. And because this person was running in and out of your life, could have been being a player, they're afraid you're going to cut them off. Like, you're done, you know? So this is why they're hesitating coming towards you. See, they want to turn things around. Ooh. Did y'all see that? Of course y'all can see it. Look at this. You see the King of Wands landing on top of the King of Swords? There's two guys here. Y'all, it could be two women. Y'all know how I feel about my court cards. But regardless, maybe they're afraid when they come back to talk to you guys, you're going to shut them down because there's another man here. Or another woman. You get what I'm saying. So, some of you guys could have already met someone else. But I'm telling you now, if you haven't, you're getting ready to. But by the time this person gets ready to come in, there's somebody else here. I don't know if I said it. Sorry if I did. But somebody could have been dealing with a Virgo. Yeah, see, this person, they stabbed you in the back. And it's like they want to come back. They want to make things right. But they're like, dang, you know, he or she probably moved on because I know I messed up. See, it's like they're losing hope. But at the end of the day, they're going to listen to their intuition. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. Yeah, they're going to have to move fast. Their intuition is telling them, hey, you better move. Because if not, you're going to lose him or her to this other person. See, there's going to be an end. I told you, there will be an end. If they can't do what they need to do and speak up, it's over, okay? Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. See, it's like they're back and forth with the Eight of Swords. It's like they're feeling stuck, frustrated. They're not saying anything, but they're being pushed to say something to you quickly because if they don't, it's over, okay? That's why they're going to free themselves. They know they have to hurry up and get out of whatever situation that they were in. I do see this person being single. They want to have a peace of mind with you. See, the way the Page of Pentacles came out, it's like they're freeing themselves from that whatever codependent situation that they were feeling stuck in or they were entertaining, you know, and they right now this person could be focusing on their finances, but I do feel like you will receive an offer from them. It's going to be a small offer, see? Because I'm telling you, somebody has to get out of a situation. There's some type of breakup or an end to something on their end. But this person is afraid that you do not want to be with them anymore. Look at that, 11-11. See, I told you. Y'all don't listen to me one day. So, they're stuck. You know, they're feeling stuck. They don't know what to do because, see, they're undecided about how to move forward with you because they know your guard is up. They feel like they're not going to have this victory with you. Okay. But they don't want you to walk away from them. This person hurt you. They know you're still upset with them. And this is why they're just moving slow. See? Oh, I knew it. Didn't I tell y'all in the beginning this person was in some type of third-party situation, whether it's a commitment, a marriage. Somebody was dealing with someone else, or somebody was in some type of situation with family, friends, whatever it is. I have two women here. This is the problem. This is why they were moving slow. So, it's like they're afraid that, you know, you're not wanting to put any more energy into them, you know, because they decided to move on with someone else or entertain some other situation or be committed to another situation, and they were trying their best not to think about you, not to worry about you. But when try not to cuss so much, when stuff hit the fan, it's like they're like, man, I messed up with him or her. I made the wrong decision. They messed up. Somebody was listening to something. See, what did I look at? The Three of Pentacles landed on top of the Two of Cups reversed. I told you they have to get out of this third party situation. There was some type of ending, some type of breakup. There's something that took place with your person and someone else, and they had to remove themselves, see, in order to give you an offer. But they don't have a happy home. So this could be a living situation, a family situation, whatever it is. Like, they're not happy at all. And see, this person definitely, they're wanting to communicate that to you, but they're in their head about it. I do feel like they're arguing with someone else on their end. See, there's no stability in some type of situation at home. You know, like I said, whether it's with a love interest, whether it's with family, you know, friends, there's something going on. There's no stability here. And now this person is stuck because they got to make a decision. See, they could have taken some type of loss financially. This could be them feeling like they took a loss not choosing you. This person definitely messed up, and now they're regretting their actions. See, it's family. Family, for some of you guys, is some type, I told you, some type of family situation. But others of you, it's someone from the past. And the thing is, they're thinking about everything that they did. And now they got to make a decision. See? And the decision is to give you an offer. But the thing is, they were being sneaky. This person was sneaky. And see, they're trying their best to come out of being frustrated. But see, that Four of Swords came out reversed on top of the Four of Cups reversed. I told you, this is some type of home, family situation going on here. And they were being sneaky. They were going back and forth, not making a decision. And see, they're coming out of being frustrated, but see, they know that there's no balance.